Good morning, world. By now, most people are a little tired of hearing one of my favorite riddles, which is, how do you eat an elephant? Give up? One manageable bite at a time. And that goes with what we're talking about today. We're talking about 5 reasons it's important to break your goals down to objectives, in keeping, of course, with the Breaking Through Infinity series, which you know is based on the book Breaking Through Infinity. So if you have not already done so, please head on over to likeipublishing.com and grab your copy. And as we jump right on in, the first reason is that objectives make goals feel more manageable. Goals can be overwhelming, they can be overpowering, they can be intimidating. But when you break them down into to objectives, they feel a lot more manageable, they feel more achievable, they feel more like, hey, I could do this. 2, objectives allow you to see the steps that you will be taking, the steps that you will need to take. Because when you're looking at objectives, you're looking at, oh, okay, I need to do A, B, C, and D. And as you're looking at doing A, you can see, hey, these are the things that I need to do to get this done. These are the things I need to do to get this done. So objectives help you see more actionable steps that can be taken. 3, it helps you see how much time you need, because once you start seeing these steps that need to be taken, then you can estimate, you can plan out better and understand, hey, if I need to do all these things, this is how much time I'm going to need. So objectives help you be better prepared to allocate or plan or schedule the time that you're going to need in order to complete your goal, as opposed to, hey, I'll get it done in 3 years. 4, it makes it easier to track your progress, because when you have objectives, you have all these small little pieces of the goal that you know need to be completed in order for the overall goal to be complete. As you're going through, you can see, hey, I had 10 objectives and I have done 5. So this means I'm about halfway through. I have 10 objectives and I've done nothing. So this means that I'm way behind. It helps you see where you are as well as what is left to complete. So breaking your goals down to objectives it makes it easier to have that, benchmarks, those things. Let's just leave it at benchmarks. And finally, it gives you more opportunities to experience success along the way. When you're working on a goal, a lot of times we're focusing on that big giant goal, the excitement of completing the goal and reaching that point and being all excited. But the journey to the goal can be very long. And when you break your goal down to objectives, completing each objective is an opportunity for a celebration. It's an opportunity to experience a success, because you may not be at the very end, you may not have completely reached your goal, but hey, you just got this done, and that is exciting. So it gives you an opportunity to experience success along the way, which, of course, when you experience success along the way, it helps you be a lot more motivated, actually, to continue doing things, to continue engaging in order to experience even more of that success. Quick recap. 1, it makes the goal more manageable and achievable, a lot less scary. 2, it allows you to see the steps that you will need to take, and then that will in turn help you see how much time you're going to need to get everything done. 4, it makes it easier to track your progress. That way you're not thinking you have more time than you actually do. And finally, it gives you the opportunity to experience successes along the way, which keep you excited and motivated to get more successes by doing even more. And as I said, its series is based on the book Breaking Through Infinity, which has a lot more stuff in it. So please do head on over to likeipublishing.com and get that book, because not only does it help you, it actually helps keep me in this whole little, indoor living thing that I'm liking a lot. And that is all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.